As I visit customers, I'm sometimes amazed that the sites don't even know that they've got a compressor until it's stopped working. And production stops, so they go to look at why it stopped. And then all of a sudden they remember there's a compressor on site that hasn't been serviced for quite some time, and invariably may even be the wrong type of compressor for what their needs are. Compressors comes in all different sizes, all different pressure ranges, all different characteristics and properties. They can be basic small piston or reciprocating compressors. They can be screw compressors. Screw compressors can be oil-free, they can be oil-flooded. For large applications, they can be centrifugal compressors, and there's still a host of other types that are there. At the end of the day, your production requirements, your environment, your application, the pressure you need, the flow you want, will dictate what type of compressor is best for you. Here's an example that if your business is running and you can't keep up, the pressure drops and the only reason, and production stops. Well, there's a few things you can do. First thing is check your leaks. Stop your leaks, see if anything's changed that way. But if you've put a new piece of equipment on and all of a sudden you can't make pressure, and because you can't make pressure, your production stops, then here's a quick rule of thumb as to how you can check what size compressor you actually need with that new piece of equipment. Say for instance you need 8 bar, and you go to your compressor out the back and you find it's only running at 5 bar. Well, simple rule of thumb is if you need 8, take your 8, divide it by 5 and multiply it by the kilowatts of the compressor. That'll tell you what size you actually need for that new piece of equipment that's changed what your demands are. So, what's the pressure you want? Here's the rule of thumb again. If it's 8 bar, and your compressor can only give you 5 bar, that's 8 divided by 5, and then multiply that by the number of kilowatts your compressor is. And that'll give you a starting point as to the minimum size compressor you need to satisfy the demand of that new piece of plant that you've installed.